Hey guys, so if your Quest 2 is overheating, there can be multiple issues with it. So the first thing that I definitely recommend to do is actually write to support that it's like a safety issue. Now the problem with it is that sometimes they just cover people warranty, and if you bought it on critical, a good few of them out with extended warranty. So I would definitely call the support first that you have the issue with what is happening. So the first thing you want to do is when you're going to turn it on, if you actually can hear the fan, if it's not broken or no. So if you can hear the fan, this is the first thing. The second thing that is you can try to do is that if the batteries are okay, so even the person wrote here, so I opened it up, the fan, heatsink and thermal paste are in perfect condition, not even piece of dust. Seem like it's a battery, but in order to get to it, full disassemble is needed. But I'm not willing to do it right now and I couldn't find replacement. So primarily, if you can also replace the battery, maybe that is going to help you. But what you want to do is just like write to the health safety issue to the MetaQuest support, and that's something you can try to do, and maybe they're going to guide you on how you can like fix it. So have a great day and goodbye.